Hello you guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Maui. At sobrang saya ng feeling na sasabihin na welcome back to my channel because I've been out of YouTube. Hindi ako nag-YouTube for a year siguro or so. And right now, I'm in my kitchen, in my mini kitchen, as you can see. Ayan, yung mga yan. And then, yan. Talagang ganyan. Mini kitchen talaga. As in, dikit-dikit namin yung mga gamit namin para ma-fit into this square house that we are in. And I thank God talaga because na-save niya kami from the floods. Alam mo nung bagyo, where we came from, sobrang nagbaha talaga dun. At right before the storm, nakalipat na kami. And I'm really just so happy na nangyari yun. And siguro isa sa mga bagay na pwede kong ma-share sa inyo is early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy and wise. Kasi alam mo, I've been waking up siguro mga for 2 weeks na at 4:30 a.m. Grabe no, ang aga. Tapos natutulog naman kami. Siguro wala pang 10 o'clock na naka-set up na kami. Tapos ng bed namin. Tapos natutulog na kami. Because we have to find a way talaga to make Steph prepared for school kasi 6 a.m. ang school niya. She has to be in school at 5:40, ganyan. So, alam mo yun, sobrang kailangan talaga. One thing that I learned talaga is talagang kailangan bumangon na. At siguro hindi na siguro mag-take naps in between. Because ang nangyayari kasi sa akin, parang sumasakit yung ulo ko kapag nagtitake ako ng naps in between. Tapos parang natatamlay na ako pag gumawa ng kahit na ano kapag hindi ako, kapag kailangan ko pang, or kinailangan ko pang mag-sleep in between, kahit idlip-idlip lang talaga sumasakit yung ulo ko. Tapos, ayun, so, nakakatuwa, we are in a stage of our lives na talagang kailangan maaga magising because aside from Steph, syempre maraming kailangan gawin. I've been looking for work actually for so many months already, more than the past 6 or 7 months already. Actually, lumipas na. And then I realized I have this creative idea that I have. So our second lesson for today is yung pag may creative idea ka, gawin mo na. Gawin mo na. Huwag ka na magpalipas ng oras. Kasi you will regret it sayang. At naisip ko, na bakit hindi na lang ako mag-set up ng sarili kong music. Kasi background lang, I came from LA Music Review. Ayan, hello sa airplane, naririnig natin yan. I came from LA Music Review, which is a music review based in Los Angeles, California, City of Angels. Ayan, doon nanggaling yung boss namin. And nagsusulat kami ng review sa different kinds of songs, mga trending, mga pinapasa sa amin, di ba, para to submit their music and all that story. And then, after we lost our job because of for some reasons na we cannot have control of, nag-set up ako ng company together with my friends na nakaisip rin na bakit hindi ka na lang gumawa ng sarili mong music review and then then you get paid for it, get paid for doing reviews. And so that's what we did. And that's what we started. And so after talking about it since January this year, we ended up doing it talaga. Started doing it nitong June 24, 2024. So shout out to my friends who were able to help me out with the idea. Migs Liado, my one of my closest friends na nasa music rin. Of course, my sisters, si Melissa Corpus, who has been really so into this talaga idea at talagang tumulong talaga sa akin with this idea. And of course, our nympho, our TikTok master, ayan, kasi siya yung gumagawa ng TikTok namin sa Sounds. And by the way, this brand that we set up is called Soundscape. Ayan, so I'm really just so happy that this thing was made, created, and we're serving other people, and we're inspiring other people, and we are also helping them promote their music, lalo na sa mga indie community. Ayan, marami na po kaming naging mga clients that are very happy with our with our services, and we are continuing to soar high, ayan, with our brand, and we're still continuing to improve our brand. So I will just leave with you with 2 lessons for today lang, para hindi kayo masyadong mabalaukan o mabulunan or something, sumakit ulo nyo. So first is wake up early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy and wise. And also, if you have a creative idea, just do it. Ayan. So I would like to just say bye for now, and I will see you again in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Maui Pontevedra. See you again soon. Bye!